Okay, we're at Surip Beach in Bani, Pangasinan, Philippines. And there's Kuya Marlon over there coming up from the water. We're gonna walk down that way and kind of see what's going on. But this is, we just got here, took the tricycles up here. It was kind of a rough ride over here, up here, out here, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, it's worth it though. It's a nice area. Hideaway, this place over here is called the Hideaway Beach Resort, and apparently it's owned by an American gentleman from California, I guess. So anyways, to kind of give you a quick glance of what we got here. It's pretty hot out. I'm gonna have to get into the sunscreen here pretty quick. So, but first I'll go ahead and take a little video of this area. A lot of coral. Lots of coral in this area. And of course we got people up there. Hello! Yeah. Nice people out here. Party. Fish. Nice. Nice fish. Yeah. All right. Let's take a walk through here. I gotta crawl under these. I don't know what the hell you call these little side arms on these boats. Yep, there's the Hideaway Beach Resort right up there. Let's see if we can take a walk over here a little bit and get a better view. I don't know if it's open for business. Hon, do you know if this place has been open or no? Not, still closed? Yeah, we wanted to rent like a pavilion picnic area, but no go. It's not happening.
They're following the protocol.
Following the protocol, whatever that is. Seems to change all the time. Anyways. But pretty area. Looks like we got some pavilions up on like a cliff over there. Yeah, very pretty. Look at all that coral. I don't know if I'm gonna walk over there or not. I might later. Pretty cool. That's about it. I'm gonna be coming out there in a minute. Okay, well, there you have it. We're gonna take a quick splurge into the water here in a minute, so I'll catch you in a few. Okay, we decided to walk out towards this coral. It's not a reef. Ow. It's more or less just I don't know, a ledge, I guess you might want to call it. Be very careful. I'm just wearing chanelas or sandals or flip-flops. There you go. So this reminds me of when I was in Okinawa, having to walk along all this kind of stuff out on the shoreline. And it's really rough here, and I'm not used to it, so I gotta take it slow. So where? Oh, she's way down there. I'm walking around up in this area. Okay, I'll be down there in a minute. Let me check out this area first. Take y'all along with me. Yeah, this is Yeah, this is really nice. I think I'm on somebody's private beachfront, is what I'm thinking. But I'm gonna go down this way, hell with it. I'm gonna go check this out. God, it's freaking great out here. Back home, it's getting cold, I think. Colder, anyways. And I'm not gonna miss it. Hear that? I am not gonna miss it. This is what I love right here. Ah, there she is. Let me see if I can get over that way. I don't think so. Holy shit, man. Oh, yeah. It's freaking coral. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous here. I don't know if anybody's ever fell on coral before, but boy, oh boy, does it freaking hurt. It's bad. Let me see if I can figure out how to get over there without killing myself. I don't think so. I think if I was Filipino, I'd have this mastered by now. But I'm not. So therefore, I gotta do this. I don't know how the heck I'm gonna get over there. I guess I could drop down in here. And I'm holding this expensive ass camera. No, I'm gonna shut this thing down here before I do anything. Okay, hold on. Okay, I think I have it figured out. Little stairs, I've found them. All right. So we'll just make our way down. This is easy now. I don't have to traverse through a bunch of goddamn deadly coral. We made it. We have dogs, we have kids. Oh hush, crazy dog. Hello. Cute kids. Oh man, this water is awesome. If I slip and fall, I'm gonna ruin a $600 camera. Just so you know. Huh? Yeah, I'm coming that way. Hello. Hello. Uh-oh. Which way did you go? Did you walk across this? Okay, how am I gonna... Is it slippery? You sure about that? I don't know. Jump over with...
Jump over it.
There's Jam Jam. Okay.
See those pieces? Can you see them? So clear.
Oh, yeah.
Even here, you see? Down here?
Yep. Yeah, little fishes everywhere. I don't know if my camera's picking them up, but they're down there.
Jan, what are you doing?
She taking a shit?
I don't know.
Oh, she's just being a dog.
And here,
Jam, be careful, girl. Scratch your tummy.
Starfish.
Oh yeah.
Starfish, they are live.
Oh wow. Very cool. Anyways, let's pan around here a little bit. She's a little girl. Okay. Earlier we were up on the beach over there by the boats, kind of looking out where I'm standing now. Now we're out here looking in. And there's that, what's that place called again?
Surip.
Yeah, we're on Surip, but the name of that resort? Hideaway. Hideaway. Yep, there's the Hideaway.
Jam. Jam. Jam.
And yep.
Jam.
I can feel the top of my head getting hit by that sun big time. And then there I am, getting fried, I'm gonna go back in and get some sunscreen. Oh, there she is. Hold on a second, let's see what Jam Jam's doing. Oh, she's loving that. I've never seen her in the water before. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Now there we have it. Jam Jam swimming.
The water is so warm.
It is. Okay, catch you in a few. Okay, we're about done here at Surip Beach here in Bani. And yeah, it's a nice place. It's coral beach. There's really not much along the lines of sand. So you come to a place like this, you're going to be crawling around coral and yeah, and then jumping in like little swim holes and stuff. The tide's out just a little bit right now, so it's a little bit tougher than usual. It's not that this place is not the easiest to find, so I mean, I wouldn't go too far out of your way to come here. If you're in the area, then by all means check it out, but it's a little rough getting back here. So anyhow, hope everybody's doing well, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you very much for coming along. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.